Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video I want to show you how to use React Native SectionList. So this is the official documentation of React Native SectionList. SectionList and FlatList both are similar, but SectionList have a header or section separated section like this. You can see we have this is the title of this section. We have a water and coke and beer. So this is the header is a drink, and then we have a dessert, and inside the dessert we have a cheese cake and ice cream. So this is the section list different between the flat list and the section list. We have separated header or footer also. So let's see the practical example. So this is my project. I already ran the project and this is my data. Inside the data I have my title is a fruit, and inside the fruit I have apple, banana and orange, and then we have a vegetable, and inside the vegetable I have a tomato, and then we have a dairy product, and the dairy product I have a milk, cheese and yogurt. These are my demi data, so I will be render these data. So first we are going to import the section list. So this is my section list, and the inside the section list first we are going to pass our data. So this is my data. So I want to pass the data and just type the section. Inside the section just pass your data, and then I have a render item. So this is my render item like a flat list. Just take a item, and just because I have a group of the item, so for that I'm taking the return. If you have a one item, you can just pass directly. Just take a one view, and inside the view I want to take a text also to render my all names of the section data. Just type the item name. So now you can see apple, banana, orange, mango, the carrot. These are the so these are not the header title, so these are the data inside the array. So now I'm going to show you how can you render the header also. So for that just take another thing like a render section header. So this is my header. So also similar like a render item section, and just if text, and just type the section dot title. I have a title. So now you can see the title fruit, style the header, and also font size 20 and background color. Let me define the green. So now you can see the fruit. Fruit is a section header or title, and then we have a vegetable, dairy product, snacks. Like this we can use the section list in React Native. So now I'm going to show you some other props. We have a horizontally. So in our horizontally, the section list will be show you in a horizontal format. So let's save it. So now you can see this is the in horizontal format. So let me import the image also. I will show you the image also, how can use the image in the section list. And now I have a item. First we have a URI because the image are coming from the URL, and then I have a item dot image. So let me define the styling for the image. I have a width 50 and height also 50 20. So you can see, so now you can see the images also. Let me do it vertically, remove the horizontal. It will be automatically in the vertical. By default it's in vertical. So let's see. So now you can see we have a banana, and within the image of the banana also orange, the image of the orange, we have a carrots. So this is the section list in React Native. And we have an item separator also. Item separator will separate the item also from one item to the another item like this. You can take a view, and just let me also take a like this. and just pass the some text like a item separator. So you can see the item separator text after the render of the item. So I don't need this. I need only one view, like a spacing. So for that you should do like this, and height 20. So you can see the spacing also. You can see the spacing also from one item to another item. So now I want to show you how to render the section footer also. Render section footer like this. You can take the section, similar, return, and take a view also. Inside the view I want to type the text like this is the end of section list. So now you can see the footer at the end of the every render item. So like this, see, this is the end of the section list. So like this we can use the React Native section list. Hope you like this video. See you in next video. For now, bye bye.